Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about Jupiter in the nakshatra of Shatabisha. This transit of Jupiter in the nakshatra of Shatabisha takes place from 22nd May 2021 until 20th July 2021. This Satabhisha Nakshatra, the ruling planet of this nakshatra is Rahu, and the deity of the planet Rahu is goddess Durga, and the deity of the nakshatra is Varun, which means the god of the oceans. So during this time, let me tell you all that a mass healing is gonna take place in the world, because ocean denotes a mass. So during this time, when Jupiter is in the nakshatra of Shatabisha and the nakshatra lord is Rahu, and Rahu represents, it denotes medicines, it represents drugs. So during this time you will see a lot of people getting cured of this coronavirus, and a large number of people are gonna get healed from this coronavirus. I'm gonna talk about this particular transit in respect to coronavirus today. So during this time you will see many people are getting inoculated, many people are getting vaccinated. Hence the number of coronavirus cases is gonna come down drastically. When Jupiter is in the nakshatra of Shatabisha, let me tell you all that you will see a substantial fall in the number of coronavirus cases, and you will see that the medicine is curing a lot of people. The number of deaths during this time will substantially decrease. India is facing a day of reckoning at this point in time, and the people of India are showing their true colors. They are fighting this coronavirus, they are fighting this COVID-19 tooth and nail. And let me tell you all that during this time, when Jupiter is in the nakshatra of Shatabisha, people will be more determined to fight against the coronavirus. The planet Rahu, who is the ruler of the Shatabisha nakshatra, is gonna make sure that all the people in this world get their medicines, the oxygen, a hospital bed if required, etc., etc., etc. And they are going to recover from this illness. I am 100% sure that people who get virus during the period of Jupiter in the Shatabisha nakshatra will recover very quickly. The other thing which I was talking about is the inoculation, is the vaccination. So the god Varun, who is the god of the oceans, the masses, God Varun is gonna make sure that the masses are gonna get protected from this particular disease, because God is there to protect you. Hence, the god Varun is gonna protect all the people of this world from this coronavirus. Y'all are gonna see that there will be a decrease in the number of coronavirus cases during this time. And after this period, after the 20th of July, you will see that the coronavirus will diminish. It will end. It will disappear. Though not fully, but to a very large extent. Talking generally, let me tell you all that during this time, when Jupiter is in the nakshatra of Shatabisha, people are gonna find opportunities. People are gonna find some new ways to earn money. They are going to discover some new roads on which they will walk and will see success in the coming times. I am not saying that this coronavirus is gonna disappear completely during this time, but you will see a vast improvement in regard to this COVID-19 disease. There may be a spike in the number of coronavirus cases during the lunar eclipse in May and during the solar eclipse in June. I am not ruling that out, but in general, you will see that the cases of the coronavirus are dropping at this point in time. Just because Rahu is the ruler of the Shatabisha nakshatra, let me tell you all that there might be some fear among people during this time as well. But the fear among people will diminish gradually. It will end gradually. Well, my suggestion to everyone would be that try not to travel at this point in time, because there may be a chance of you contracting this disease during your travel. Well, this is my analysis about Jupiter in the nakshatra of Shatabisha from May to July in regard to the coronavirus. If you want specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life, and you won't get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And besides that, if you want to earn a lot of money in your life, if you want to see success and prosperity in your life, if you want to be a positive person in your life, if you want to experience richness in your life, if you want to get peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.